Well, guys, this might be it. This may be the last time you ever see this motorcycle on the channel. It's a weird thing to spend, you know, close to 6 years with your motorcycle and just kind of like, well, it's time, I think. Just 48,000 miles. That's pretty goddamn good for a motorcycle. Never thought I'd give away or sell this bike. I thought I'd always keep this thing, but you know, here we are. It's just kind of that thing. It feels like it's time to get rid of it. And again, mostly it was just the truck that we bought that I haven't revealed yet. It won't. I mean, it'll probably fit, but it probably won't. You know, a lot. Again, it just doesn't make sense to keep something that you haven't ridden in months. You know, it's weird. It was like this time last year. That was when this thing got pretty much like new spark plugs. They got everything, man. I'm like, I just barely put less than 1,000 miles on it, and it'll be a weird thing seeing it just kind of go off to its new owner. But that's okay. We had a lot of good times. We made a shit ton of videos on this thing. Went fucking everywhere. Like, went to that Texas meetup. Did a road trip in California on this thing. Twice, I think. Yeah, no, it was twice. You know, it was good. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. And, you know, again, it was just kind of, yeah, it's like, it almost kind of breaks my heart, but it just time. It's like, you really kind of never know. It's like, I think, like sending your kids off to college, or you have just like no emotional attachment to it. I just got to be an adult. I got some bills to pay, and, you know, it'll just free up some monthly income, I think. And not that it costs a lot of money to maintain anyways, but I don't know. This probably won't ever be the last big motorcycle I have, but I don't know if I rambled on, but it might just be a stepping stone to something bigger. Like, I'm almost 35. This is a good bike for my 20s, early 30s. But, you know, let the Grom to hoon around in. Might be time to get something with go the distance. We could go on some like fucking awesome motorcycle trips without taking a truck or something. You know what I mean? So that's just kind of where it is at this point in time. Like, it's been fun. I really enjoyed it, but it's time to let somebody else enjoy it. Fiona, you've been great. I've really enjoyed having you in my life. Wish we could have done I guess a better outro video, but you know, that's what it is. But at the end of the day, you know, it is just kind of one of those things, I guess. So this is it for now. I guess I might record something of it being driven away, but you know, I'm gonna miss it, man. It's weird. Gonna really miss this motorcycle. It's been good, but might be time for like an adventure touring bike, like a Super Juke TT, because that would be fucking awesome. I'll put one last tank of gas in it for the owner. It'll be all good. Move. Well, it'd be nice and put gas in it. Gonna miss this motorcycle, man. It literally has been kind of everywhere. I'll even give her the good, man. No, she's not true quality, but she's nothing. $10, man. There's like one of the best features about this bike is this fucking tailback. God damn.
kept you waiting forever and a day. But now we're out here together with nothing standing in our way. Can you feel the attraction? Feel the attraction. Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity. Taking over your body, it's flowing through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction?